easy threes. So if you implement the easy threes, it's going to be simple to just get started right away. So let's start with number one, the random word exercise. So the random word exercise is really simple. Pick a random word like light bulb, like tissue box, literally anything. Books, wife, husband, pick any word, and create a presentation out of thin air. And what's great about this is that it helps you with the following. If you can make sense out of nonsense, you can make sense out of anything. So do the random word exercise a few times a day, and in a month, you'll be a master at this. That's number one. Number two is the question drill. We get asked questions all the time in our life, in our work, in our lives, on a podcast, from our family, but we're reactive to the questions. Somebody asks us a question, we go, oh, like I once got a question a few years ago. The question was, where does the fear of communication come from? I was like, I don't know. It's San Diego, Los Angeles. You tell me. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Right? So when we're reactive to those questions, we lose. So instead, we need to be proactive to those questions. What does that mean? That means every day for 5 minutes, write down one question that you think the world is going to ask you. And from that question, write an answer for 5 minutes. But if you do that every day for a year, Jazz, you'll have answered 365 questions about your industry. You'll be unbeatable. That's number two. And finally, number three, so simple that nobody does it, sending video messages to people that you love. Make a list of the people that you appreciate in your life, your mom, your brother, your sister, family members, and send them a video message. Because that chances are you never have. And it only takes 20 seconds.
Wow. Yeah, that's lovely. And the second one that you said, write an answer or prepare an answer for one question every day. I mean, yeah, one could prepare a book.
Literally, actually.
Yeah.